are back at Abbott's Creek Elementary School. It is August 4th, and yesterday we came out here and cleaned out the rain gauge in preparation for the hurricane that was going to be coming through North Carolina. So we are doing a 24-hour rain gauge reading for Kokoraz, and this is our rain gauge. And as you can see, there is some rain in there. It rained pretty heavily, but the hurricane, the tropical storm, went through North Carolina pretty fast. So we're going to take off the rain gauge, and since the small tube, which is the 1-inch tube, is completely full, it overflowed into the larger cylinder. So we're going to have to do some super science math today to figure out exactly how much it rained in the past 24 hours. So we're going to bring this on over here and see how we do that. So, as you can see, I have brought my dry erase board and a marker because, again, we're going to be doing some super science math. And the first thing we're going to do is take off the top, and we're going to give the inner tube a little shake. And then we're going to pull it out and record our reading in the inner tube first. Now it's really important that we get down low and we look, and we're going to look for that meniscus. We're going to be looking for the smile to help us get the most accurate reading. So I'm looking at this, and we're going to call it 0.95. So on our dry erase board, we're going to put 0.95 plus. All right, so now we have to see how much more water, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to dump that one out, get all the little drops out, and then we're going to put my funnel top back on here, and we're going to very carefully pour the inner cylinder water in. And we might have to do this a couple times, I'm not quite sure. Get it close to the 1 inch. There we go. All right. And we're going to read this again. And that is 1 on the dot, so that's 1 inch of rain. And then we're going to dump this out again because we still have some rain in that larger cylinder. Put my funnel top back on and very carefully pour the remaining water in. And again, making sure to get as many drops for the most accurate reading as possible. All right, and our last number we're going to add is 0.21. All right, so there we go, friends. We're going to do some super math right now. Whoops. And the total amount of rain we received from the tropical storm last night here at Abbott's Creek is 2.16 inches of rain. So that is really great news. We're going to be inputting that into our Kokoraz database so that the scientists and the meteorologists will be able to look at that number and compare it with the other numbers and see how much it rained across the state from that tropical storm. So that's about it. Thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.